Hey folks, welcome back to episode 17 ICT 2024 Mentorship. In this video, I'm going to explain my understanding after watching ICT's long stream. So keep patient and wait for the gems over here. Before going to this video, I would love to clear one thing, and that is what I got most important thing from this stream, and that is when ICT talked about something that the female traders are more profitable comparing with the male traders. They are actually long-term profitable, the female traders. Okay, there I have the objection. I strongly object over here because in my opinion, trading or profitability doesn't depend on the gender. Now my female viewers don't get angry on me because I'm not telling something against you. All I'm telling is the fact. Here I don't see any kind of fact that is going to make you more profitable comparing with female. I mean comparing with the male. Okay, it's all about the situation or some other variants. I don't want to talk about them. In my opinion, ICT is watching some females streaming for so long now. That's why maybe he's commenting like that way. But it hurts me, and I really don't want to agree with him in this case. So whatever he has told, I don't think so. It's good thing to tell. That was my opinion. So let's go to the video. But before going to this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Give me the thumbs up over here, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. I'm providing the most valuable information outside of this 2024 mentorship by my live streaming and making some other videos. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now over here you can see this is today's new week opening gap. That means Friday close. Let me show you. This is the Friday close and the Sunday open. This is the new week opening gap. Now if the new week opening gap is less than 20 handle, then ICT actually doesn't mark the 50% or the quadrant level, and he instead of that he just keep an eye over there. If any kind of level is respecting or not, he actually see that. Okay, now at the same time you have to remember that around 9:30, this is the 9:30 candle, you have to go to the regular trading hour. And if you go to the regular trading hour, you will see the previous days, that means the Friday closing or the Friday settlement price over there. This is 9:30 open. This is the opening gap. You have to mark that opening gap. If the that opening gap is smaller like this, okay, as you can see, this is a very small opening gap. In this type of situation, ICT actually not in rush. He sit still and see what is happening until 10. So until 10, the opening range is not appeared over there. He is not willing to trade in that type of situation. Some of you have asked me actually to why ICT was in 2-minute chart. Now ICT was watching this parabolic gap. See this parabolic gap. He was watching this parabolic gap. Can it hold the price as an inversion parabolic gap and send the price higher for this clean highs? Can you see this clean highs? He was looking for that. Can it go for that buy side liquidity by using that inversion parabolic gap or that specific parabolic gap? I mean, primarily this price actually respect that parabolic gap. Then later around 9:30, it has went lower to that relatively equal lows. That it is, that was the relatively equal lows. It has taken that relatively equal lows with a shallow run. So when market went higher, first he wanted to see can it go higher by tapping to the opening gap high. So as you can see, this candle when it tapped over there, he was waiting to see that can market go above this new opening gap, then this high, see this relatively equal highs, can it go for that highs and this highs. Okay, so that was his first expectation. At the same time, he has seen that market has taken that high and these relatively equal highs or clean highs. So he wasn't in rush, he wasn't framing any trade, he was just waiting until 10 because the opening gap was very small. It was very small, so he wasn't in rush. His primarily expectation was market will go for that clean buy side liquidity because market has taken this sell side liquidity. At the same time, he told that yeah, obviously market can take this sell side liquidity one more time, then it can go for that buy side liquidity. Again, he want to see some kind of price action that will give him the confidence to go for that buy. Otherwise, he's expecting something. If market doesn't give him that specific elements, he's not going to push his button. Now over here, when you can see that market actually went through this parabolic gap. Oh, by the way, just let me go to 1-minute chart now because I hope that you got the reason why ICT was in 2-minute chart. You are just observing this parabolic gap. So let me go to the 1-minute chart now. Now when I'm in 1-minute chart, over here. That is the 1 minute chart. Okay, let me come over here. Yeah, when market actually closed below this opening gap, when it has closed below this opening gap, here he was looking for this volume balance around that area. Can market trade until that volume balance? Then it can fall dramatically with speed. Now market didn't reach until that area. Instead, it has traded that volume balance. Look at this volume balance. It has traded that volume balance and market fall. When it was falling, ICT went to 15-minute chart. So let me go to the 15-minute chart. Instead, I would love to open the 15-minute chart over there. Okay, so over here, this is the 15-minute chart. Around that area. Okay, so when market was falling dramatically around that area, he marked this low to see if it can take that low or not. At the same time, he has marked this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Why he has marked that? As he was expecting some kind of higher move. Okay, let me change the color so that it will be easier to see. Just let me change the color here. Okay, at the same time, he was watching this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Can it hold the price, send the price again higher for the buy side liquidity? See this relatively equal highs or the clean highs from 1 minute chart. Can it do it? Now, again, he is not he is not going to push his button. He is waiting to see if market can do that or not. So you will need some kind of specific elements over here that will help you to frame your trade. If it happens, perfect. If it doesn't happen, no worries. You are not going to participate in that price range. So when market was keep falling, he wasn't interested to push his button over there. Instead, he was just reading the price because it was one-sided. Okay, it was one-sided and market was not giving him the precision to take the entry. This is the part I keep telling you guys. Please focus over there. Don't chase the price. Instead, wait for some kind of specific element to see is it actually helping you or supporting your price action reading. If it supports your reading price action, go for the trade. Otherwise, just enjoy the price action. So over here, as you can see, I was watching this candle when it didn't feel this parabolic gap. See this 50-minute parabolic gap, it didn't feel that parabolic gap. He was looking for some kind of big run toward the buy side liquidity. But at the same time, you can see this two candle has closed inside this 15-minute bullish parabolic gap. Look at this. So until now, here, market didn't give you any kind of precision that it is going higher. When it has closed and body respected the high of that bullish parabolic gap, you are not in rush. You are not thinking that I should push the button. Instead, you should wait for the price action. Is it telling you that I'm going high? You can see it's clearly telling you, no, I'm not going high. That's why they have respected the high of that 15-minute bullish parabolic gap. So all you are going to do is you are going to write it down to the empty space. You are going to take the screenshot. You are just doing the journal for building your confidence when you should start to think that, okay, I am expecting market is going for that buy side liquidity and market has given me that sign or that signal that it is going for that. Then you will start to frame your buy setup. At the same time, he talked about this candle. Okay, so let me talk about this candle as well. So when market actually went higher, then this candle appeared. This specific candle appeared, closed over there. Came until that area, then closed over there. The very next candle opened and boom. Look at the size of that candle. Now, for example, you have taken any kind of sell around that area. Maybe you took a sell over there and suddenly you saw this big move. Then the next candle opened and trade until the low of that candle. So see this candle? So from there to there, it's absolutely balanced. Okay, repriced. It's absolutely perfectly it has repriced this whole area. That means there is no inefficiency. Just no inefficiency. ICT told if he see any kind of parabolic gap, most of the people are using the wrong concept about the parabolic gap. How he does look the parabolic gap? He looks the parabolic gap. That parabolic gap is not going to be filled. That means if parabolic gap is open, then that parabolic gap is going to give him the precision. So that is the important thing. You have to keep that in your mind. ICT is watching for this candle 50%. If market can trade that 50% and then went through that candle 50%, tap to this 50% as a support, can it go higher or not? And at the same time, you can see that market didn't reach until the 50% of that week. Okay, this week 50% market didn't reach. What does it mean? That means market is heavy, market is weak. It doesn't even go and touch the 50%. That is the sign of the weakness. At the same time, when you see this immediate rebalance, it is called the immediate rebalance. How do you know that this is the immediate rebalance? Look at this candle size. Comparing with other candles, you can clearly see that this is a big candle. When this candle appeared, the next candle opened, trade until the low, there is no inefficiency. You will start to think that it is immediately rebalanced, and if you are bearish, maybe you have taken any kind of entry over there, you will expect some kind of big move, okay, some kind of boom, something like that. You will expect that. You are not going to get worried about that market is going to reverse. No, something not like that way. Immediate rebalance is going to help you to understand that market is extremely bearish, and I mean, if it is a bearish imbalance, then immediate rebalance, then you will expect that market is extremely bearish. Okay, vice versa. If it is a bullish immediate rebalance, then you will think that market is extremely bullish, so it is going higher. I mean, higher very efficiently. Okay, very speed. As you can see, then this candle appeared and boom, market came until that area. So it was little open over there and market went higher. He was thinking that maybe this time market will go higher, maybe. Then he saw these two candles which is closed inside this 15-minute bullish fair lookup. Remember, I just marked the bullish fair lookup from 15-minute chart, and this is that low, that is specific low. So let me show you one more time, otherwise you get confused. So over here, this is my 15-minute chart. Just get over there. This is that bullish fair lookup, and this is that low. Okay, so this line and this bullish fair lookup. Don't get confused, brother. So over here, when market has actually traded, what is it? Just a second. Yeah. So market has closed inside this bullish fair lookup, and he saw this immediate rebalance. Everything was telling him that market is going to fall again. Now, is he going to chase this price? No, he is not going to do that. When this candle appeared, ICT told, I want to see if it can come back again until this fair lookup. See this fair lookup? Can it come back until this fair lookup? If it failed to come until this fair lookup, that's perfect. The best option is market will trade until the 50% of that fair lookup. That means the fair lookup is not going to be closed perfectly over here. This fair lookup, it's not going to close perfectly here perfectly. It will trade until the 50%, then it will fall. If it closes perfectly, then it is not going to touch the 50% of that fair lookup from 15-minute chart bullish fair lookup. Then he is going to use this as an inversion fair lookup. When it will fail to trade the 50% of that bullish fair lookup, and then it will come back again below this fair lookup, you will go to your second chart or sub 1 minute chart, 15 minutes, 15 second, 30 second, 45 second. The first fair lookup is going to trade, and then market will boom. You will see the immediate boom, something like that. This is an information you have to keep that in your mind from 15-minute chart. If you see this type of things and around that area, after that fair lookup, if market can make this type of 1 minute fair lookup, first you will expect that market is going to trade this fair lookup maximum until this constant crossment. If it is overzealous, it can close this fair lookup perfectly, but it is not going to trade until the 50% of that 15-minute bullish fair lookup. So it is going to work as an inversion fair lookup. When market will go below this inversion fair lookup again, you will go to your sub 1 minute chart, and if you see any kind of fair lookup, you will expect that market will tap to this fair lookup and then boom, speed. How far? Until this new week opening gap, and you can see the new day opening gap inside this new week opening gap. So as you can see over here, market has traded until that new day opening gap perfectly. Then it went higher until that area. Okay? So when it went higher until that area, look at this candle 50%, and just mark the 50% and extend it to your right. If I do that, okay, over there, very nice weakness over there. Look at the weakness over there. After that weakness, that is the premium weak constant and cosmet. Market trade until that area, failed to trade the 50%. Boom, market went lower again, and then market keep falling. Went through this new day opening gap and took all of the relatively equal lows or something over there from 15-minute chart. If you go to your 15-minute chart, you will see there was a lot of relatively equal lows. Just let me show you. So by here, this is the price action. So Here was relatively equal lows around that area. This is the relatively equal lows around that area. It has taken all of this relatively equal lows, and that was the business for today. Now I would love to go to 4-hour chart to explain something from there as ICT has explained. Now guys, if my streaming is little bigger, I'm sorry, if it is little longer, I'm extremely sorry for that, but I am trying my level best to make it shorter. See this relatively equal lows, all of this relatively equal lows, market has taken that relatively equal lows. Now look at this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. This buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency is inside that sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. So from there to there, okay, until that area, it is balanced. Either way, this is balanced because there is the sell side, there is the buy side. ICT doesn't want to say it will come here and with speed. Okay, if it come here with speed to that balanced price range, then you have to look for this relatively equal lows, this low and that low. They are relatively equal lows. Market is going to change its bias and it is going for that one. So I still want to say, even if it come over here around this balanced price range area, it's gonna be very slow move, something slow move, slow move. Okay, not speed move. I said, don't please do this. Keep this in your mind and do the journal and see how it is going to trade around that area. Even if it come over here, if it come with speed, then this sell side liquidity, which I have just shown you, that relatively equal lows, that is gonna be triggered. And also he talked about some kind of war situation, something like that. If something bad happened, then yeah, obviously market can go for that. But he doesn't want to see that. He wants to see it will come over here with slow move. That is cool. And then we will be able to frame the buy setup as well. And the other things. Okay, so keep this in mind when you will see a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency nested inside the sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. That is actually the balanced price range. And if you see next time market came to that area with speed, then there is more probability that market will go through those. But if it comes with small move or Mickey Mouse move, something like that, maybe that area will hold the price and send it higher again. Okay? Vice versa. If you see this type of situation opposite way, then obviously you will think that price it will go to that balance price range and then it will fall. After this part, I said he talked about a long speech in his YouTube channel. I'm not interested to talk about those. Most of them, in my opinion, is not related with price action, but it's all about psychology. So if you are interested to watch that part from ICT's stream, you can go and watch that. That obviously, everything is important. Okay, so if you are interested, please watch that part from his stream. It's the 4-hour and 4-minute long video. So that was all from this video. I again want to say that I am not agree with ICT about the female and male things. Okay, I'm extremely sorry to say that, but yeah, I'm not agree with him. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new. So until the next video, cheers.